Let's open my first package from Zillabeau. This is my first package from Zillabeau as a Muse. So we have some instructions in there for us muses, and then they sent us a bunch of different things based on the brands that we're assigned to. Mithmillo is one of the ones that I'm assigned to. Oh my gosh, this is way more than I was expecting. Thank you so much, Zillabeau. Got some Candy Plus brushes, also some Candy Plus forms, and a bunch of other things that I'm gonna open up in just a bit. Cannot wait to open this up. Oh my goodness, more brushes. The number 6 brush is so good for application. And then we've got 25 of the Mithmillo cake gels. If you haven't seen these cake gels, they are such a unique texture. They're almost like a lip gloss or lipstick in this really pretty packaging. I'll be swatching them in another video. They also sent me a bunch of the new Space Opera Flash from Leafgel. These are so gorgeous and have quickly become a client favorite. Here's a close-up of the art brushes from Mithmillo. And then we have the Lilygel and Knock Knock collaboration collection. This is such a cute collection with a bunch of different really pretty shimmery glitters and cute charms, as well as this really amazing mirror powder that goes on like butter. It's not gritty at all. It's also in solid form, so you don't have to worry about it spilling anywhere, which I think is a huge plus. Also have some colored gels, which I'll be swatching later for you all. And some more charms. They're so cute. I feel like this collection is going to be really fun for wintertime when we want to do more of those snowy and sparkly looks. You can watch me struggle to open this, but I do really appreciate that they bubble wrap the individual gels when they're loose like this, because this really helps keep them in pristine condition. I like to display a lot of my gels, so having them come in perfect condition is really, really nice. This is a top gel from Lilygel, so I'm really excited to try this. It looks like it's a little thinner viscosity. If you haven't heard of Lilygel, it's a high-performing, non-toxic Japanese potted gel nail system for budget conscious. It's backed by the team of advanced chemists from its sister company, Leafgel, which is my favorite brand. It was actually my first purchase from Zillabeau was buying the entire Leafgel collection for my studio. Here we have their matte top gel. And then we have the unicorn top gel. Just wait until you see this in the light. I mean, come on. It's so crazy beautiful. And then lastly, we have a set of vials from the Lilygel collection. So who's Lilygel for? You might be a nail tech or a salon owner that is knowledgeable about Leafgel's high quality products, but you're seeking a lower price alternative. Or maybe you're a DIY nail enthusiast or a beginner who's interested in learning about Japanese potted nail systems. The really nice thing about this is that it has maximum compatibility with Leafgel. So if you start out with Lilygel and then you start adding to your collection with other Leafgel products, you won't have to worry about them not playing nice together, because that can happen where they won't cure properly or you'll get bubbles or whatnot if you're using different gel brands together. So really great option if you are going to be adding more Leafgel colors to your collection, or if you already have Leafgel colors. Or you might just really like the packaging and the color selection of Lilygel. It was one of the most popular brands that was at the Tokyo Nail Expo. Next up, we have Candy Plus and all of the brushes that they've sent me. I'm really excited to test these ones out. There's some unique brushes in here. Candy Plus is another Japanese brand, but they're focusing on the best of, Japanese and Russian manicure techniques. And they have some really nice drill bits that I'm excited to try out. I don't think that these are available unless you've taken their course, but stay tuned for updates on that. Candy Plus is also non-toxic and cosmetic grade, which all brands that Zillabeau carries are, which I really, really appreciate. This is one of Candy Plus's fun top gels. It's almost like a mirror powder. It is so, so pretty. And then we have the Candy Plus 3D gel, which you can mold into different shapes, which is really cool. And last but not least, another beautiful top gel that has more of that mirror shimmery finish from Candy Plus. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video.